Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rahul and IT Guide. Today in this video I will show you how you can easily open Demat and trading account in Zerodha. So let's start. The document is required to open Demat and trading account at Zerodha as follows. PAN card, Aadhaar card, cancel check or bank statement, your signature on a piece of paper and passport size photo. I will recommend you to keep soft copies of all these documents ready before you apply for the account, as you have to upload them during the account opening process. Let's have a look at account opening charges. If you open Demat and trading account, then the charges will be rupees 200, and for the commodity account it will be rupees 100. If you want to trade in both equity and commodity, then you need to pay rupees 300 an account opening charge. However, if you want to trade just in equity stocks, then you need to pay rupees 200 only. There are two ways to open a Demat and trading account at Zerodha. First one is online method, second one is offline method. Using the online method, you can open your account with Zerodha within 15 minutes if you have all the required documents ready. In this video, we will focus on online method. So now we are at Zerodha sign up page. So we just enter the mobile number and click on continue. So here you will get the 6-digit OTP on your mobile number. So we just have to enter that 6-digit OTP over here and click on confirm button. So as you can see, I have entered the 6-digit OTP and I just click on the confirm button. Okay, so now here you have to enter the full name and email address. Kindly enter correct email address, as you will get all the notification and everything on this email ID only in future. So I just enter the full name and email ID and I click on the continue button. So on your email ID you will get the 6-digit OTP. So just enter that 6-digit OTP over here. So I have entered the 6-digit OTP and I click on continue button. So on this page you have to enter your PAN number and date of birth. Kindly enter correct PAN number and date of birth. So I have entered all the details and I just click on continue button. So now we are at payment page. So there are two steps, like for the equity the charges will be 200 and for the commodity the charges will be 100 rupees, as I explained you earlier. So actually I want to put the account, so I want to do the trading in the equity and commodity as well. So I just select all the check boxes. And I will do the payment using net banking. So I have selected that option and I click on pay and continue. So I'm just entering my card number and all the details for the payment. So I have entered my card number and all the details like the CVV number and all. So once entering all the details, I have just click on pay button. So now it will redirect to the payment page. So it will ask you for the enter the OTP for the payment that you have received on your mobile number. So I just entered that OTP and click on submit. So as you can see, the payment is successful. I got this message, congratulations Rahul. So now on this page we will enter the bank details like bank account number, bank IFSC and all. So I've entered the bank details and I will enter the background information like the mother name, of occupation, marital status and all. So I have entered all the details and I have selected all the check boxes and I will click on continue button. So here we need to upload our photo, the OTP that you are seeing on the screen. You just have to write that OTP on the paper and you can upload that photo. So on this screen we will click on the Aadhaar. So once you click on the Aadhaar, it will get you to the proof. You need to upload over here all the proofs like the bank proof and all. Actually previously I have mentioned you like you need to keep the soft copies of all these documents ready. So on this page we will upload all the documents like the bank proof, PAN card and signature and all. So I have uploaded all the documents like bank proof, signature and PAN card. So now I will click on e-sign equity. So once you click on e-sign equity, it will get onto the another page where you will again you need to verify with your email ID. So the security code will be sent to your email ID. You just have to enter that security code over here and you have to click on submit button. So once you click on the submit button, you will get the message on the screen, complete your profile. So you just have to click that checkbox and click on the proceed. So you will redirect to the NSDL side. So here you need to enter your Aadhaar number and click on send OTP. So I just enter the Aadhaar number and click on send OTP. So we will get the OTP on the mobile number. So you just have to enter OTP here and click on verify OTP. So once you click on verified OTP, you will get this screen. So here you can see your profile. This is just the PDF form that is generated. So this is the screen. So here you can click on the back to dashboard. So now you can see. So now you can see the account is successfully created. I mean Zerodha will verify the details and everything, and they will get back to us over email once this account is created, so that now then you can start the trading. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get notification for newly uploaded videos.